Hey, welcome back to Teach Me Something. Today, we are diving into a cool project, ZMPT101B AC single-phase voltage sensor module OLED using Arduino NANO. Let's get started. Alright, so what are we doing? We are making a gadget to check how much electricity is running through your wires. We are using a ZMPT101B thingy to measure the power and showing it on a tiny screen using an Arduino NANO. Simple, right? Our goal is to give you a real-time display of the electricity running through, thanks to our ZMPT101B sensor. The info will be right there on the OLED display for you to see. Please watch full video to make this project. Now, what components are we using for this project? First off, meet our ZMPT101B AC voltage sensor module. It's like the detective, sniffing out the electricity vibes. Then we have the Arduino NANO. It's showing the voltage on our OLED screen. Don't forget our connecting wires as per circuit diagram and connect AC power supply to our ZMPT101B sensor. Install Adafruit SSD 1306 library. My OLED model is 1306. If you have different model, install respective model library and change the header file in program according to your library. Install Adafruit GFX library. Fill your maximum and minimum ADC value here. For finding ADC value, watch my previous video. Video link given description. Choose your board and proper port number. If you do not know the port number, see in Device Manager. Click Upload button to upload program to your board. After uploading, open the serial monitor and choose the correct baud rate which is given program.